Curiously, why do 73% of fitness enthusiasts swear by bananas? Let's find out. Bananas are not just a tasty treat, they're your dietary best friend. Packed with essential nutrients, a medium banana gives you about 105 calories, 27 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. For weight loss, they're a winner. Low in calories and high in fiber, bananas keep you full longer and curb those pesky sugar cravings. Their natural sweetness is a perfect substitute for sugary snacks. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to gain weight or build muscle, bananas can help you too. High in carbs and calories, they're an excellent energy booster. Just remember, moderation is key. Pair bananas with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt or nut butter, and you're golden. Blend them into smoothies, mix into oatmeal, or top off your yogurt bowls. Stay balanced, stay healthy. Love bananas? Hit like and subscribe for more health tips. See you tomorrow.